Why you feel like this, dude?
I got 2 little boys, and it's been a long. Really, I've never been able to play with them the way I want to.
Steve had a 1999 football injury. He was a linebacker, right? No, he played football in 1999. And linebacker used his head, led with his head, did all the wrong things in football that you guys aren't supposed to do. Never hit with your head, but he did it, right? And he was hit really hard. And since then, he got a couple stingers back then. And so low back pain, neck pain, he's got it all going on. I can go down the laundry list. I'm going to let him start it off because he'll give us kind of the flavor of what's going on. I'll just fill in the gaps for him. Steve, why are you here?
Just really bad sciatica, just pain throughout, weakness in my shoulders, numbness throughout my left side. And I believe it all came from football, just a lot of hard hitting. I was a wedge breaker into linebacker. It just, it all accumulated. So, anyway, I'm just pretty messed up. Yeah. I have memory loss. See that? I even forgot that.
Yeah. No, but he has a lot of things going on, and it's been going on for 17, 18 years, right?
Yeah.
And you got treated by a chiropractor back then, at 18 years old. That was the only time you've been treated by a chiropractor. And how did that go for you?
I actually felt worse. He did explain to me what was going on. My neck was compressed, and the curves were all messed up. Yeah.
But he made you worse. So the problem with this is that 18 years later, and he probably lost a little trust for our profession. Didn't want to go, right? A little bit, right? And so I'm happy that I put these videos on YouTube that bring somebody like this back into the idea of chiropractic, because, you know, we do a disservice to people like this that turn him off to chiropractic because he's been in pain for 18 years. He's lost memory. He can't sleep at night. He has constipation. He has severe gas pain all the time. He has dizziness. He has his Bell's palsy thing with his eye twitches. I mean, serious stuff that chiropractic could have helped 18 years ago. So I'm glad the videos are out there for you to watch. How long did you watch them for before you came in?
A couple months. About 2 months. Yeah.
Good. And what made you come in? I'm kind of curious.
I now have time to come see you. I live in Loma Linda, about an hour away. So.
Hour away? Yeah, good. So lots and lots of pain. Tell us about this Adam's apple thing.
At times I'll just feel kind of like a shift in my vertebrae up here, like where
in the front.
And it's painful.
I've never heard that before.
And I kind of like just from turning my neck.
Never heard that before. You self-adjust all the time, right?
Yeah, I'm always cracking.
Heartburn.
Yeah, I get that.
Numbness in the arms. Blah, 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 blah. Anything else you want to tell me? Anything you remember?
Oh yeah, No,
he came in today. He came in the other day. And he goes like this. He goes, "I can't remember what I do." And he goes like, "Tell us about the memory loss, real quick."
I'll walk into a room and I forget what I'm walking into the room for.
Within seconds.
Yeah, like instantaneously.
Yeah.
I'll be in the middle of a conversation, and I forget what I'm talking about.
Gotcha. And how about the sleep? How bad a sleep do you have?
Well, I believe I sleep like a log, but I'm always tossing and turning, as my wife states, and I'm always snoring. So
snoring, good. Those are all symptoms of bad sleep. Anxiety, depression. How's that for you?
Pretty nervous guy, I guess. I'm always biting my nails, and just.
Yeah. Again, lack of sleep causes anxiety. Anxiety leads to depression. Depression leads to memory loss. Memory loss leads to more anxiety. It's a vicious cycle. Right. He thinks he sleeps okay. That's the interesting thing about this. Wait till he's done with this, and we'll get to follow up on him. So, you ready to get started, Steve?
Let's do it.
Good. Stand over here, please. Knees straight. Bend up touch toes as best you can. Good. Okay. Any pain in your back there?
Yes.
Scale of 1 to 10. What is it, sir?
About a 5.
About a 5. Going back like this. How about that one?
That's actually a 6 now.
Now it's a 6. So we did it a minute ago. It was about a 5. Now it's up a little bit more. Both are about 10% more. Okay, look at the forward of your neck. No pain there. You said last time, right?
No.
With the ceiling. Pain there.
No.
Okay, so it's grip strength. Let's check grip strength. So look at this. Linebacker. He's like a wuss right now. Hey, squeeze. See, look at this. My little bony arm is stronger than him. Okay. Okay, this side. Okay, this one feels stronger, right?
I feel that it's weaker.
Oh, really? Okay, well, it feels stronger to me, but anyways, you can feel a little weakness, right? Gotcha. And so let's check your pinwheel. Okay, put your hands out. Okay, we're going to check its ability to feel here, guys. Pinwheel test. What does that feel like?
Numb.
Numb on this side, right? Numb over here. This whole hand's number in this hand, right?
Yeah.
Gotcha, good. So, interesting things, right, guys? We have weakness, we have dermatome difference, we have sensation difference, we have back pain, He has a lot of other things going on. We're going to have to follow up with those in the future, but right now we're going to check those out, okay? So get you adjusted over here. Fingers in your belly like this, sir? Good. Okay, x-rays. Not horrible neck, actually. Definite imbalance, but A to P imbalance, meaning he's lateral, his body is really over to one side. But curve is reversed, but not terrible. Arthritis is bad in the neck, but not horrible. We're going to help him. So back when he was 18, I wonder what he looked like to have that chiropractor say his neck was compressed. Because I was looking for it. I'm going to look closer, but check those out, guys. This are my old x-rays. We have a 3 millimeter left imbalance and a left TMJ. Here we have hyperthoracic kyphosis and significant arthritis, and here we have 1/2 atlas wear, low neck reversal, and a large EOP hook. A little nervous at all?
No.
Okay. Linebacker who's nervous. Okay, just put your fingers right there. Good. We'll take our time. Whoa!
Oh, yeah.
Jeez.
I wish I could have done that.
Jeez.
Oh, man.
That was a big move. Did you feel that shift? I think your jaw even moved on that one a little bit.
Oh, yeah, I felt that.
Wow. Other side.
Oh, man.
That really moved. Yeah. Okay, one more, okay?
Okay.
Just relax. Good. Good. Okay. How are those? Very painful?
A little painful, actually.
The left side or the right side was worse?
I probably felt, well, the right side was a shock.
That was a shock, right?
The left side kind of.
Little had a more sting to it. Gotcha, okay. Not terrible pain though, right?
No.
Yeah, just a little sting. That's right. Okay, so when you get up in a second, Steve, no twisting or turning, right? Keep your arms to your side, look straight ahead, okay? Good. One sit up, please. Put your legs over the side, please. Okay. A little dizzy?
A little lightheaded.
Yeah, you can see it. You can see it in his eyes, guys. You can see it in his eyes.
Like the light was kind of.
Yeah, come a little closer. Take a look in his eyes. You can see that actually the pupils are a little dilated. He's having a little trouble focusing right now. He may not feel really dizzy, but you can see some of the neurological changes right now. We're going to walk in a second, okay? Walk is going to help recalibrate your spine. Just relax, arms down, look straight ahead. Go to the front door, please. Go to the front door. Oh man, what, Steve?
No pain. No pain in my lower
Okay,
back.
you're exaggerating, right?
No.
Okay, one more time in the door, please. Okay, so are you just trying to like get in my good graces here?
No, not at all.
Because that's the kind of guy you are, right?
No, man.
You like to go, well, you know, since I'm going to this guy, I want him to think highly of me. I want him to be nice to him. I'm going to lie for him so that the people on camera will like go, oh my God, this guy's great. Right? You're doing that for me?
No, I'm here for myself.
Yeah, good. And so how do you feel right now?
I feel great. I feel way better than I've felt in the last 17 years.
You exaggerating, sir?
No.
Oh yeah, do you want to go do some stretching?
Why are you smiling so much?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, hold on. Look at it. Squeeze. What? What? Say what it is. Say what it is, man.
Thank you.
Why you feel like this, dude?
I got 2 little boys and it's been a long time. Really, I've never been able to play with them the way I want to.
What does this feel like? What is it going to do for you? Feel like you can have
Everything.
Everything. chance.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Yeah, you're welcome. That's what it's all about. I'm going to continue to get you better. Thanks for letting me do the video. See you guys next time.